Hello guys, Assalamu-Alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Isabel Cooking. And for today's vlog, I will make a really delicious beef stew. Ito guys, let's begin. Lalagay tayo ng olive oil. It's about a 2 tablespoons. Guys. Papan fry natin guys itong potato. It's about 4 pieces of potatoes and 3 pieces of carrots. Season with salt and pepper. Then we add the bell pepper, just about half cup. Okay. And then, sit aside lang natin to guys. Okay guys, preheat a frying pan over a medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add the cubed beef. Okay guys, season generously with salt and pepper. Pepper flakes. Okay guys, I'd fry 14 minutes until brown all over, then transfer the beef into the soup pot. Transfer na natin ito guys sa soup pot. Okay. Then, transfer the beef into the soup pot. Then, i-deglaze natin itong ating frying pan para ilagay natin sa ating soup. Into the frying pan, we add 2 tablespoons of butter. Ayan, na-melted lang natin ito para isasabi natin yung ating mushrooms. It's okay now. We add mushrooms. Guys, okay for 5 minutes until they're brown all over and season with salt and pepper. Okay, then adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then, sisit aside ulit natin ito. Guys, into the same frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And add onions. It's about cup of onions. It's about cup of chopped onions. Ipapan-fry lang natin ang onion hanggang mag-translucent, about 5 minutes or 7 minutes. Okay, add a tablespoon of shredded garlic or minced garlic. Okay, adding 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, Italian herbs, Worcestershire sauce, about a 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon of sugar, apple cider vinegar, smell good. Tomato sauce. It's about a cup. And season with salt and pepper. And adding up 5 cups of broth, beef broth it guys. Okay guys, once boiling, reduce the heat to low and continue simmering the soup for about 1.5 hours or until the beef is tender. Okay guys, it smells so good. And the beef, it's really tender, very tender. Oh. Wow. It smells so good. And now, we're going to add our pan-fried potato and carrots. Okay, just the heat to low and continue simmering the soup for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. And then we are going to add our frozen sweet peas. Okay. Okay. Cover the pot with a lid and bring to a boil. Guys, for a richer stew, add the potato and continue cooking for an additional hour. Pero yung ayaw naman, so it's okay na guys yung ganito. Pero siguro parang gusto ko yung more richer stew. And guys, very tender na yung ating beef. Oh, yum. Sarap. Okay guys, garnish this too with chopped parsley. And enjoy! Ayun. Ready to serve na guys. Yum! Yan, ilalagay na natin to sa ating serving dish. It's yum, guys. Try nyo. Sarap. Ito na. Okay, guys. Lagay na natin sa ating serving dish. Siya. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Nakita nyo to. Oy, napaka-yummy guys. Sana magustuhan nyo. Okay, and guys, paalala lang po, subscriptions and like are a big help to me. Please. Okay, and thank you. Thank you sa lahat-lahat ng aking subscribers, sa new subscribers, and regular subscribers. At saka yung aking mga viewers, at saka silent viewers, thank you so much. At sa mga magaganda nyong comments, thank you. So guys, sana mag-enjoy kayo. At napakasarap guys. Diba, napakasimple lang naman siya, pero masarap. It's yummy.